We are now checking into the new hotel, also 5 stars, called Varana. Is it mango?
Yeah, mango.
Wow, look at this. Ready packed. So, I will start. I missed to do the room tour of the first hotel, but then now we checked in the second hotel, which is Varana, and it's quite, like, it's not quite, it's brand new, I think, hotel that really looks well maintained and fresh and new, and it's really nice. And even we have this nice sitting area here, and also the balcony with the pool view. Some nice sitting area here as well. So the entire place is quite big. There are more buildings there. This is the small pool with bar mainly here, and then upstairs is going to be a big pool for stand-up paddling. So good. Cool. So we made to the huge pool called Olympic pool. It's so cool. I'm really enjoying the colors that they put for the pools in Thailand. It's really something special. Just made the first round of swimming in this huge pool. It's so cool. And yeah, now we're gonna be diving, because here it's 3 meters deep, and on that side 2 meters. So it's really only adult pool, but look at this, it's just empty. Is enjoying. Definitely.
Jacuzzi time. Now we are going to the beach, which is a pool and a live music club of this hotel, just at the beach. So we will go there for an evening bites to eat, and let's see how it is. It's just across the road, so we are going there now.
Woohoo! Let's go! I like these tuk-tuks here. They look so cool. So they just take people around to their rooms. That's a bigger one. Really cool. So yeah, that's our 2 favorite places. One is Mexican place that we plan to come back later and eat duck mango tacos, amazing combination. And that's our also top favorite place. This is the part that belongs to the hotel. And the vibe here is extremely amazing. And pizzas, oh my god. You should really go for one. Oh, sunset will be very amazing. Wow. So, how do you like it?
Amazing.
It's amazing, yeah. And it's like sunset. Wow.